This is the Kia Sportage 2015-2021, and if you want to find the battery fuse in this car, the battery fuse is not located in the fuse box as you may expect. It's located in this plastic box near the positive terminal on the battery. And here is how you open this box. And here is actually the fuse that controls all the power from the battery that goes into the system of your car. So this is a 200 amps fuse, and if it's blown, your car will not have any power, so you will not be able to turn on the lights, to start the car, or whatever else. So if the car doesn't have any power, you just replace this fuse in the first place. This may not be the culprit, but anyway, you may start with this and check if this fuse is okay. It's not that expensive, you can buy it OEM online and just replace it on your own.